Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, welcome you all in general knowledge session. So, today we'll start with chapter 30, that is Stars of the Business World. It's fascinating to know about the top echelons of the business world. Some were born with a silver spoon in their mouth, and in some cases it was the story of rags to riches. So in this we have to identify the great personalities of the business world. Okay, let's start. The first one is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is an American entrepreneur, media proprietor, investor and computer engineer. He is the founder and the executive chairman of Amazon, where he previously served as the chairman, president and CEO. He is responsible for guiding Amazon to glory. He launched the retail giant back in 1994, and it was intended to be an online book retailer, but it grew quickly from an operation in his garage into the world's largest online shopping retailer. Next is famous, or you can say billionaire businessman, that is Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is an Indian billionaire businessman and the chairman, managing director and the largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, a Fortune Global 500 company and India's most valuable company by market value. He is also the year's biggest gainer, adding $9.3 billion to his wealth amid the continuing success of his Reliance Jio broadband telco service. Now let's move to the next, that is third. He is Shiv Nadar. Shiv Nadar is an Indian billionaire industrialist. He is the founder and the chairman emeritus of HCL Technologies Limited and the Shiv Nadar Foundation. He co-founded HCL in a garage in 1976 to make calculators and microprocessors. Today he chairs HCL Technologies, India's fourth largest software service provider. Next is Mark Zuckerberg, and he is the founder of Facebook. Okay. Mark Zuckerberg is an American media magnate, internet entrepreneur and philanthropist. He is known for co-founding Facebook and serves as its chairman, chief executive officer and controlling shareholder. He is one of the top 10 richest people in the world, the youngest on the list. He has a net worth of $71 billion and has donated millions to charitable causes. He is famous for creating Facebook, the largest social network in the world. Fifth, he is Jack Ma. Jack Ma Yan is a Chinese business magnate, investor and philanthropist. He is the co-founder and the former executive chairman of Alibaba Group, a multinational technology conglomerate. In addition, he co-founded Yunfeng Capital, a private equity firm. Jack Ma is a strong proponent of an open and market-driven economy. And the last one is, he is Amancio Ortega. Okay, Amancio Ortega. He is a Spanish billionaire businessman. He is the founder and the former chairman of Inditex Fashion Group, best known for its chain of Zara clothing and accessories shops. He is the richest retailer in the world with 59% ownership of Inditex, which currently operates 7,000 stores worldwide. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.